How to not lag in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can not lag in Capcut on PC and Mac, so let's dive in. So first of all, you have to come to your Capcut, and once you're on your Capcut app, what you have to do is go to this menu option on the top left corner, and in the menu section, once you click it, it's going to give you this drop down menu, and now choose the settings option over here, and it's going to give you this pop-up. In this pop-up, you have this project option, and in the project option, you simply have to clear this cache over here by clicking this delete button, and then go to the edit section over here, and here you have to choose the frame rate and make sure you choose 24 because it works best. And once done, go back and then go to the performance section, and here you have to just enable this proxy setting over here. Just check this box and enable it, and once you have done these three settings, click save over here, and once you do so, your Capcut lagging is going to be fixed, and that's the process that you can follow to fix Capcut lag. And I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.